Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make Gizdodo. It's a wonderful Nigerian dish that I love. Before I continue, please hit the subscribe button and feel free to comment down below about anything or any questions you have. Let's get started. So of course you're gonna have your gizzard. Right here I already have it in my pot with my onions, and I'm going to show you guys the seasonings I'm going to be using. Here I have my adobo, Goya seasoning, garlic, ginger seasoning, basil, curry, thyme, and of course my ghee, the main seasoning for any delicious Nigerian dish. So over here I have my bell peppers, my red peppers, ripe plantains. I end up using 4 ripe plantains for this dish. Here I have my ginger and garlic and my onions. So here I have my gizzard already washed and seasoned with onions and the spices I showed you guys previously. And here I have my bell peppers, my red bell peppers. I use about 2.5. I have my onions in there, garlic and ginger, and my roto peppers as well. So here I'm going to blend it up, and it should look something like this. Little thick. I only put a little bit of water just so it could have like a little thick consistency, so it's easier to fry when you're cooking the whole thing. And while my gizzard is cooking, I'll be cutting up the plantains for frying. And I'll also be cutting up these bell peppers and onions over here for the whole cooking process later on. So right here I'm just checking up on my gizzard. I cooked it for about 30 minutes, and here I'm just using a knife to cut through it just to make sure it's ready and it's soft. And as you can see, I didn't use that much water. The key is to use a little bit of water so all your seasonings can get into the gizzard so it can have flavor. So here I'm just frying it, and once it's golden brown, I'm just going to take it and set it aside. As you can see as well, I also have my plantains already fried and set aside. So after that's done, we are ready for the cooking process. We have all our ingredients ready, from the bell peppers, plantains, our seasonings, our blended up red peppers, our onions, and our stock, and of course our gizzard. So right here I already have my oil in the pot getting hot. And I like to put 2 cubes of Maggi just because it seasons the oil and just gives the oil taste for whatever you're frying. So now I'm going to add the mixture we blended up earlier on with the bell peppers, roto peppers, the onions, the ginger, and the garlic. Just going to pour it into the pot and let it fry. It smells so good right now. When it's done frying, it should have this thick consistency to it. And now we're gonna move on to the next step. So after all the water is dried up and you have that thick mixture going on, it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm adding my gizzard and just stirring it in properly. Then you're gonna see me add the plantains and stir as well. And to add water, I'm gonna add the stock water from cooking the gizzard and just mix it as I'm stirring. So remember earlier on when I told you guys to put some of the bell peppers? So now I'm going to put the rest of the bell peppers and just stir. And if you need extra water at this time and your stock is done, you can always add, water, of course, and stir. So right now I'm just seasoning some more. I'm just adding my ginger and garlic powder, my basil, thyme, adobo seasoning. Right here you can also add some Cameroon pepper, like some kind of pepper if you feel like it's not spicy enough for you. Remember we put some roto peppers while we were blending up the mixture initially. So for me, I don't like it too spicy. So I'm just putting my seasoning this time, and you can always add extra pepper if you want to add some more at this time. So you should also put some more salt at this time if you need some more. I put some earlier on, and I also had enough stock in my enough salt in my stock seasoning, and yeah. So after it's done, I'm just gonna cover it up and let it cook for about 12 minutes. Oh my god, this smells so good right now. Like I can smell the ginger, garlic, thyme curry, the plantains. Just everything is just smelling so good. All the seasonings is just like aroma right now in my nose. And I'm just serving it with rice. I love this dish so much. Like you can eat it by itself, you can serve it with rice. It's a perfect to go dish for me because I'm a college student and it's cheap, it's affordable, it's quick, it's easy. Like just go try it and let me know how it turns out for you, okay? Thanks for watching and see you guys on my next video.